Hi and welcome to another Whiteboard Wednesday with me, Sam Ashdown, and today we're on part 2 of our mini 3-part series on Content is King. And I'm going to ask you, what is your ideal client Googling right now? And if you don't have an ideal client in your head, that's something you need to do first. Once you have your ideal client in your head, then we need to try and work out what they're Googling. And I'm going to give you 3 ways to find out what your clients are Googling so that you can create your content around that and align yourself with every step of their journey. So the first thing you need to do is start typing in the search box on Google something that will allow you to autocomplete. So it could be how to sell my home and then just see what comes afterwards. So it could be fast, privately, quickly, without an estate agent, on Rightmove, at the lowest cost. There might be lots of different things that come up in your autocomplete, but you need to know what they are so that you can write about them, because that's actually what your clients are Googling right now. Once you've got your search and you've clicked on the search term that you're looking for, halfway down the page it says something like people also ask about, and that will give you probably another 4 or 5 ideas for blog post titles that you can use. At the bottom of the page, it's also got suggested searches, and there's another 8 searches there. So that might be related to how to sell your home, and it could be things that you could write about and you could create content about, because you already know that they're Googling those. So that's 3 different ways. So in the autocomplete, that normally gives you about 4. In the people also ask, gives you about another 4 to 6, and at the bottom gives you another 8. So you're looking at probably 15 or even more ideas for your blog post. And if you repeat that for all the main questions you think your ideal client is Googling right now, you're going to have an absolute library of content to create for those clients. If you don't want to create your content yourself, we actually have a service where we can create it for you. It's called Firewave. And if you'd like to have more information about that and the fantastic content pack that comes with every single month, then just let us know. We'll put the link in the comments. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to link up with me in one of these places: Marketing Magic on Facebook and YouTube, Sam Ashdown on LinkedIn, and of course my website, samashdown.co.uk, where I blog about this topic and many, many more. And I'll see you there. Bye for now.